subtraction of two-digit number with regrouping. There was a trainer called Joe who trained kids in Kung Fu. One day in the training, he found some of the kids becoming sick. Every day, he trains 32 kids, out of which 9 kids became sick. How many kids are healthy? 32 kids is equal to 30 plus 2. 3 bundles of 10 sticks and 2 loose sticks. Here, you need to subtract 9 from 32. But the digit in the ones place in the subtrahend is larger than the digit in the ones place in the minuend. That is, 9 is larger than 2. It is not possible to take away a bigger number from a smaller number. So, open one bundle of 10. Now we have 12 loose sticks. Take away 9 loose sticks. How many loose sticks are left? How many bundles are left? So, 23 kids are healthy. One day in the training, Joe found only 35 of 50 students attended the class. How many kids were absent for the class? Let us subtract the numbers using the vertical subtraction method. Step 1. Subtract the ones. We cannot take away 5 ones from 0 ones. So, we will borrow 1 from 5. 10 ones minus 5 ones is equal to 5 ones. Step 2. Subtract the tens. Now, we have 4 tens left. So, 4 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 110. So, 50 minus 35 is equal to 15. Let us recall. We cannot take away the bigger number from the smaller number. If the digit in the ones place in the subtrahend is larger than the digit in the ones place in the minuend, we carry 110 from the tens place and add it to the minuend in the ones place.